What's good, y'all? Welcome back to Certified Web 706. Today I'm going to be talking about the M5 BMW that I purchased. So I want to get y'all's input. I went ahead and, as you know, I got the 22s mounted up. I went with Auto ID, the company out of UK, for the CF kit, body kit. For the canard, carbon fiber canards came from CT Carbon. Got the grill mounts, which came from Auto Industries. Now, I will say, when I ordered this kit from the UK, it came with the whole complete kit with the canards, but I had to order another set of canards because the 3M tape that was provided just did not hold that well. So I lost one, and I wanted to go with the CT Carbon because it actually has an extension right there that I like a little bit better. But don't get me wrong, Auto ID do provide some excellent quality parts. Now, here's the dilemma right here that I have. I do plan on lowering the car, and I was kind of undecided on doing that. One, because with the 22s, and I'll zoom out a little bit, zoom back in, it doesn't need that much of a drop. So I decided I'm gonna go with the AST adjustables. That way I can set it down just a tad bit, because if you know, like I know, if you go with standard springs, then the car over time can have a tendency to maybe sag a little bit. And if you switch up the wheels, you may want to lower it or raise it. So with the adjustables,
camera recording.
Disregard that camera, y'all. Forgot to turn it off before doing this video. But anyhow, the other thing that I got coming up, y'all, for the M5 is catback exhaust. I think I'm gonna go with a company called IRL LLC, and some downpipes. The only thing with the downpipes, I'm not sure if I need to go with the 200 catted cell or the 400. But I do not want to go catless. I did that with the AMG, and sorry about that again, y'all. I went with the catless on the AMG CC3S that I had, and the odor was horrible. The sound was phenomenal, but the fumes and the odor really got to me. So I had to end up going with the catted on the AMG. Last but not least, y'all, shout out to my homeboy Alex from the Shine Tech Lab in Martinez, Georgia. He has a full detail shop. He ceramic coated the whole car, including the wheels. He did a phenomenal job. Did the windows, the interior. Shout out to Alex, man. If y'all ever in the town, or if you want to make a trip, hit him up. I'll leave his number below in the video. But he does a phenomenal job. He also did the AMG right here, the wagon. It's the wifey's car. Ceramic coated this whole car, truck. Phenomenal job. All right, y'all. With that being said, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna do some drive-bys, some great footage on the Z06 I got coming up, y'all, for the Z06. As you know, I went ahead and put the Soul Performance 92mm throttle bodies on, along with the high flow cats, and this thing, she screams, y'all. I mean, she sounds for doing some more footage on that. All right, y'all. With that being said, y'all stay tuned. Thank you for chiming in with Certified Web 706. Peace.